Hello everyone, and welcome to XM. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to register an account on XM. Step 1. Click Start Trading or Get Started or scan QR code on display. Step 2. Choose your country of residence. Step 3. Enter your email and set your password. Please note, your password meets the project requirements. Step 4. Click Enter here. Step 5. Enter partner code. Boost your trading with XM Partner Code CTG8M. Use CTG8M and enjoy unbeatable benefits, 90% lot rebate, a $30 no deposit trading bonus, and a deposit bonus up to $10,500. Start trading smarter and maximize your profits today. Step 6. Check the box and agree to the terms of the project. Step 7. Click Register. Step 8. Check your email. Please check all incoming emails and the spam folder. Step 9. Click Verify email. Congratulations on your successful registration. Please subscribe to support the channel and follow for useful videos, as well as how to verify your account.